वेलकम टू अवर पॉडकास्ट। मैं हूं मिनीशा और आप सभी का एक बार वेलकम करते हुए एक और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस लेके हम आपके बीच आ चुके हैं। एज यू नो वी आर गेटिंग इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस बैक टू यू और हम बात करने वाले हैं इस बार किडनी कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे के बारे में। यस, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द होल मंथ एज अ किडनी कैंसर अवेयरनेस डे एंड मंथ, बट इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन राइट मैं तो नहीं दे पाऊंगी, बट इसलिए मैं आ चुकी हूँ एक एक्सपर्टी के पास और मैं कहना चाहूंगी ही इज डीएम medical oncologist, experience of having more than 8 years और उनकी बातों से आप समझ जाएंगे कि एक्सपर्टीज और एक नॉन एक्सपर्टीज के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है। जस्ट लाइक आई एम गेटिंग हियर the one and only, I just love to introduce Shruti Arora ma'am. Ma'am, आपसे बात करके पहले तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। I love to welcome you on our podcast. And first question on the kidney celebrate कर रहे हैं, what is kidney cancer?
So thank you for having me here. So kidney cancer these are malignant tumors which arise from the cell of the kidneys, and they are actually arising from the lining of the kidneys, which is called as proximal convoluted tubules.
All right. So, ma'am, what are the types of kidney cancer exactly?
So kidney cancers के बहुत सारे types होते हैं, but the most common is the 3 types of kidney cancers. The first is renal cell carcinoma, which actually arise from the areas which help to filter the blood from the kidneys, that is from the renal parenchyma, which accounts for around 95% of the tumors. Second is transitional cell cancers, which actually is most the part which actually helps to collect the urine and drain it out. Most of our bladder cancers actually are transitional cell. And the third is what we see in children, which arise from the embryonic cells of the kidney. Those account for 95% of the cancers in children.
All right, ma'am. So I just want to know how to get cured with kidney cancer.
So to get cured is essential is early diagnosis. Okay, there are various treatments that are there for kidney cancer. It really depends upon the type and the stage at which the patient comes, the health of the patient, the age of the patient. Earlier cancers, you can do a surgery upfront and then plan, if required, any form of immunotherapy. While advanced stages में surgery with a combination of chemo, immuno, these all work together to help the patient achieve cure.
And so how can we diagnose kidney cancer?
So to diagnose kidney cancer, it is very important to first understand the signs and symptoms. So a person should be aware if they have a lump in the abdomen, if they feel a lump, if there is blood in the urine, or if there is lower back ache, if there is unexplained weight loss, yeah, a fever which is persistent, not responding to antibiotics, or loss of appetite, you should check with your doctor. So these are the essential signs. And to diagnose it, what we can do is meet your oncologist. They will thoroughly examine you, take a proper history, and then they will run some blood test and some urine test. If they are indicative of this, then a simple CT scan would help us to understand what is the stage and how do we go about it.
And ma'am, how can we find that we are having kidney cancer? Means because kidney cancer के cases इतने ज़्यादा भी सामने आ रहे हैं, obviously you know that. So how can we find that we have kidney cancer or not?
So see, there's nothing to worry that you may have, but all you have to be cautious of the signs and symptoms that I told you. That if you have those, you meet your physician or you meet an oncologist for that. Keep a check on the signs and symptoms and meet a doctor. That is the best way that you find out.
Ma'am, what is the basic reasons for having kidney cancers?
So the basic reasons for having kidney cancer could really depend. It could be genetic, which would be a small portion of 5 to 10%. Majorly, it depends upon your environment and lifestyle changes. So for prevention, all you have to do is maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, limit or have no tobacco and alcohol intake. Be aware of the signs and symptoms that you should look for and go for regular health checkups.
Right. Just for my information, I just want to know, ma'am, कितने % chances रहते हैं कि kidney cancer get cured purely, like completely 100%?
So early stages, if it is stage 1, stage 2, there is, and stage 3 also, there is a very high probability that you are completely cured of it. So basically, early detection would lead to cure in cancers, and this is true even for kidney.
Advanced kidney cancer, I just want to know that.
Advanced kidney cancer, if the kidney cancer has gone beyond the kidney to a different organ, either the nodes or to a totally different organ. So the most important part which I would like to put on kidney cancer is, for kidney cancer we do not do the biopsy upfront. Only if it is advanced, that is the only time we would go for a biopsy. If it is a small lump that we see on a CT scan which looks like kidney cancer and fits into that, we would directly operate it and not do a biopsy. So this is one of those cancers where you do not jump to a biopsy.
All right, means advanced kidney cancer is the last stage, you can say?
Yes, but it is because we have very newer therapies like immunotherapies and a lot of target therapies. It is very well controllable, and the patient lives really long. So it is not like, it's not the end of the road. We have a lot of options now, even for kidney cancer, even if it is advanced.
मैम आपकी इतने सालों की लाइक जर्नी में आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि आप ऐसे कोई पेशेंट जिनका केस आपको अभी तक याद हो या फिर ऐसा जो आप शेयर करना चाहें.
Yeah, so we have had patients who have a metastatic or an advanced kidney cancer, and they had a cancer which was in the kidney and a little bit which had gone to the lung. We were able to actually operate both of them and give them some immunotherapy, and the patient is still living now more than 3 years and is healthy and doing well. So, and one more thing I'd like to say about is kidney cancer is one of the few cancers which can actually spontaneously regress.
Wow.
So how we understood about immunotherapy and all that was that the immunity somewhere gets hampered, right? So if sometimes we've seen that if the patient gets infection, it can actually spontaneously regress, though there are case reports and obviously you should take treatment and all. But this is one of the cancers in which immunotherapy and targeted therapies have actually a upper hand in treatment, especially in advanced settings.
Okay, means if you have kidney cancer, don't get just like खत्म नहीं है कह सकते हैं.
Yes.
और if you have the last stage तो भी उसके भी आजकल क्योर है, like doctor says. मैम जस्ट इतना कहना चाहेंगे आपकी तरफ से सभी हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए एक मैसेज, being a doctor to your patient.
So I would say, go for regular health checkups. Do not panic. Always take opinions from an expert who can guide you well, and learn about your own, understand your body, take good care of yourself. And if you have, if you happen to have it, it is not the end of the road. There are a lot of treatments available, and do trust your oncologist.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. आई वुड लव टू से कि हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल चुकी होगी, पर स्टिल अगर ऐसा कोई भी सवाल आपके मन में है, देन यू कैन ड्रॉप इट डाउन. मैम हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं आपके सभी सवालों का जवाब देने के लिए. एंड बस इतना ही कहना चाहेंगे, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए. इट्स योर लाइफ, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.